Are you concerned about managing what your child can access in the Play Store? In this video, I will guide you on how to turn on parental control in Google's Play Store. So, let's get started. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Tap on Family. Select Parental Controls. Toggle the Parental Controls switch to On. Create a PIN that your child cannot guess to prevent them from changing the settings. Confirm the PIN again. After setting the PIN, choose restrictions for different types of content. Tap on Apps and Games. Choose age ratings according to your child's age. After that, press on Save. For restricting books, tap on Books. Here, you can decide which content your child can access. By following these steps, you can effectively set parental controls in the Play Store and safeguard your child's online experience. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.